Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y29 with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.68 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1608 pixels, approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits high brightness mode, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with shot sensation shield glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide angle camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4 and ring LED flash. For selfies, it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle front facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. 4. The software. The handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 15 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, 6nm chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6GB, 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB of hybrid microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.3 by 8.09, 8.19 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams, and the color options, noble brown, elegant white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 44-watt wired flash charge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, 400% volume support, USB Type-C charging port, IP64 dust-tight and water-resistant, military-grade shock resistance support, and with infrared remote control support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y29 4G has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 49,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y29 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.